Are sitting on it. How are you removing everything out the house and taking it to Pam's house when me and my kids are there using it? I would never do that to you. Shut up.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Marty.
Pardon?
Marty. M-A-R-T-O. Cole. C-O-L-E. I'm the daughter.
You're the daughter. Okay. And you reside at the premises?
Yes.
Is Miss Patterson?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
My mom passed away in August.
Miss Patterson did. That's right. I now recall when we read it. All right, where are we on this case then?
Your Honor, there is still a balance due and owing. We are requesting entry of a judgment today. Miss Mari has failed to fill out a tenancy application and be approved for such. I do believe an occupancy application was filled out. However, in order to, continue the tenancy, she would need to fill out an application for tenancy within the community, which has not been done at this point.
So when was I supposed to fill that out? Because I thought that they were giving me till the end of November to vacate the premises. Nobody contacted me.
You're gonna vacate.
Yeah, I didn't want to stay past the end of November. I just wanted to the end of November to vacate the premises. That's all.
Your Honor, she did request until the end of November. However, my client was not agreeable to give until the end of November, so we would ask for a judgment at this point with 10 days.
When did your mom pass away?
August 14th.
Of this year.
She did.
So you just been scrambling since.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with her beneficiary not paying her rent for the time of me being there, but
right, that's what you said the last time, that there was supposed to they haven't paid it and you haven't been able, this person that's receiving the funds has not done anything. So, and I'm not in contact with her, my brother, my sister. So, yeah. So, I mean, I don't know. In 10 days, that's not enough time. You just don't. Let me ask you this. Okay. I'm going to grant them a judgment because I think it's appropriate in the case for possession. How much time are you really looking at that? If I said you got to get out, what's the soonest you could do it?
November 30th. Maybe a few days before, but I mean, I need that much time because I just started back working. So I do have a security deposit I got to pay when I move. So I have to say.
I got you. Right here.
I mean, we would object to that. This case was filed in September, so she's had at least 30 days already to.
Yeah, and I just started working this month.
It's her brother.
In October.
Okay, hold on a second. Ms. Manson, what's your name?
Yeah, we haven't spoken.
Who is he?
My brother.
Yeah, you can come on up. As long as y'all ain't gonna fight.
I don't even know what he's doing here, but yeah, whatever.
All right. So, what's your name?
My name is John Pellington Jr.
All right. So
I'm Ellen's son. I'm here to kind of give a basic background to this situation. She has been at my mother's house for over a year now. With
who has?
Me.
Okay.
Not being able to keep employment. It also already has had 2 evictions by my mother as far as paperwork when she's been at the home. I have talked to her too.
So why does this matter to me?
So I've talked to Arbor Woods of the situation of getting my mother's things out to put in my auntie's.
Oh no, that's what this is about. See, him and my sister have came over with a big U-Haul trying to put me and my kids out so they could remove all the furniture and take it. Those are my mom's possessions, and she did not leave them to him or to one person. And since I'm there, they gonna come and take everything so me and my kids can sit on the floor. Like, that's not right. And I would never do that to them either. when I leave, I'm taking everything with me.
Your Honor,
Period. And I'm moving. So why would he think that everything would be outside or that he could take it to my aunt's house? Me and my kids are using it as of now because we are staying there. And as, like he said, we've been there for a year. We have.
Upon that situation, sir, it was to the point that the eviction had came out. That was the only reason we were over there to try to move the things. Upon that point, as you can, their lawyer is right there. I'm pretty sure she can talk to who she's representing. She has changed the locks. Only reason I was at the house is I have a key to the house.
And I changed the lock because him, my sister, and my aunt tried to come over and put me out, and they tried to remove everything out of the house so we can have to sit on the floor.
I don't need to put any.
How are you removing the furniture, John, when me and my kids are sitting on it? How are you removing everything out the house and taking it to Pam's house when me and my kids are there using it? I would never do that to you. Shut up. What things? You don't have no thing. Listen, 2 officers came over. There was officers.
Be right with you in a moment.
I had to call the police on them because they came over trying to put me and my kids out and remove everything. So the officers told him, my aunt and my sister, that they cannot come over there and remove nothing.
Okay, but hold on a minute.
All I wanted was my stuff, which is...
You don't have nothing. Your clothes, I gave them to you when the officer was there, and he said that's it, and he told you not to come back.
All right, so when you guys pulled up to the building...
No, I was here. I didn't.
Just stop. Okay. Don't interrupt me. You can interrupt him all you want.
I'm sorry.
When you pulled up to the building, it said 14A District Court. Walked in here to district court. I am not a probate court. I am not a family court.
Correct.
So all of this stuff that you guys are talking about, fine and dandy. I can't do anything about that.
I'm here to figure out the day as far as when she has to be out so we can...
Well, frankly, sir, you don't have any interest in this and haven't appeared until today. So I don't...
I've been at work.
Well, I don't care where you were. I'm just saying I'm on my 3rd hearing and she's appeared at every hearing and you haven't been here. And now you come in here and talking about you want to know what date. I'll give the date because publicly I will that everything's going to happen, but everything else is up to you guys.
No, I understand.
Counsel, how much is owing?
Your Honor, rent to retain is $3,140.96. Cost of $186.00 for a total of $3,326.96. We would ask for that writ to issue after 10 days. This is a rented home. They don't have any interest in the home itself.
Got it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find after finding no tribal issue as to the amount of rent that's due. I'm going to judgment for possession to the landlord. The normal writ date would be the 10th. I am going to extend it a bit, ma'am. I'm not going to give you the 30 days to do it. I'm going to extend it to the 14th. And at that point, the landlord can take it. So writ to issue November 14th or thereafter, 2025. All right. Thank you.